And one thing to note in this part of the experiment is that you're supposed to get terrible results. At the moment we barely have any scaling difference between 20 degrees Celsius, which is, you know, probably roughly room temperature even though it's winter, and 100 degrees Celsius, which is roughly, again, boiling point. So don't worry if your results are bad here, they're intended to be, and we're going to fix them with the next setup. So we want to make the scale a little more precise. So what we're going to do is take two 226 ohm resistors, and we're going to, sorry, my chair wouldn't wheel there, we're going to put them into the circuit at these 2 points here and here. The very first thing I'm going to do is just disconnect this, and I'm going to get rid of this wire, because we're going to want this one here still, so that there's a connection across here. But if I put the resistor here, and I still have wires here, then I'm going to short out that resistor. So once again, I'm just going to unscrew the posts. So that one's connected up. And same thing, we don't need this wire anymore because we're going to be connecting a resistor in place. So I'm going to loosen these posts, like so. And then I'm going to connect this 226 across there. So I'm just going to take this away because it's going to be a little fiddly. So you can see now I've managed to connect the 100 and the 226 into the same hole there, which is good. I'm just going to bend this round. Hopefully it's not going to snap on me like it did a moment ago. And oh, there's the hole. There we go. So that's going to get connected there, like that. So we have 100, 226, 226. Still have that wire there. Still have this wire here. But I need to connect this wire across here now. And that should be the setup for the second part of the experiment. The next thing we need to do is actually find the calibration value for the thermistor in its new setup. So I'm going to set the kettle on again, make sure it's nice and steamy, just like the fan fiction I write about John Hamm. And then I'm going to find the balance point of the bridge again. And you only need to do this once. A few people get confused when they read the lab manual. They think you have to do it for every temperature. But no, we only do it once for that one calibration value, okay? So you only need to calculate it one time for the rest of the experiment, and then you just use that value of X going forward. Now I've got the kettle on again. I've connected the platinum resistance thermometer, so it's once again in the steam. And you can see I've got my new setup of the Wheatstone bridge. And the Wheatstone bridge was set to the old steam position, so hopefully when I turn it on now we're going to see a change, and we do. And of course, if I turn it, you can hear it's boiling again. So if I keep turning, there we go. So that's going to be the balance point for that. Okay.